welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite chocolate girl, and I'm back with another video for you. Okay, so this video is a little different. It is a wig install video. Yes, that's why I'm looking like somebody auntie, somebody grandma, somebody mama. I'm all of that except for grandma. Okay, so guys, I got this hair from, I want to say it's FT.SIYUN Show, and this is what it looked like. This is exactly, it's still in a bag and everything, y'all. This is exactly how it came, and guess where I got it from? Amazon. Okay, so I'm gonna have the link in the description box so you guys can check it out. This is a 3x4 HD curly lace front wig. I'm gonna show you guys the wig first, and then I'll show you guys what came with the wig. So this is how the wig came packaged, and guys, I'm nosy Rosie, so I did take it out the bag and look a little bit, but this is how it came packaged. We're gonna go ahead and take it out the bag, and it had a net on it, but I took the net off and I ain't trying to put it back on because yeah. So this is how it looks straight out the pack. No manipulation, nothing. Look at those curls, y'all. These curls are pretty cute, y'all. And this is what the lace is looking like. Okay, do y'all see the knots? These are the knots. Yeah, I don't think this wig is gonna be like hard to bleach. I think the bleach is gonna take very well. I think it is, because these knots are not too big and the lace is really nice, and it does have minimum shedding. I don't know if you guys can see that hair, but it does have minimum shedding, which is fine. It's hair, it's gonna shed. Once I get done plucking it, it did come pre-plucked, but I'm just gonna put my beatbymoe touch on it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, get this wig bleached. I'm so sorry guys, I totally forgot to tell you guys what the wig came with. Okay, so again, I did say it was a 22-inch curly wig, a 13x4. It is a 180 density. I forgot to mention that as well. It's 180 density. Y'all, a lot of people don't like a lot of hair, like thick hair, but I do, because the more you wear it, if the hair sheds and stuff like that, of course it's gonna thin out. So the longer you have it, if it's shedding and stuff and it's thinning out, I mean, the longer it's gonna last. That's how I think of it. So the wig did come with 2 wig caps, and these are medium brown. I think I have a wig cap that's my skin tone that I'm probably going to be using, but if you don't, you can always use these and put foundation over it to match. And then they did come with some lashes that I probably will not be wearing, but this is what the lashes are looking like. I'm gonna put them over there where I let my clients choose their lashes, because somebody may like these lashes and want to wear them, but I'm not gonna wear them. But yeah guys, now I'm gonna go do everything else and I'll be back. Okay y'all, so I'm just going in and I'm measuring the wig up to my ears, and I'm gonna go in and cut the wig by my ears, because you don't need all that extra lace by your ears. You want the wig to be able to go behind your ears and look seamless. So I'm just going in and cutting those ear flaps by my ears. So now I'm going in and I'm going to go ahead and cut this cap. With the excess cap, I'm going to take it and tie it around my head so the cap doesn't flap up. And then I'm going to take some freeze spray and I'm going to I'm gonna freeze, girl. I'm gonna spray the edges of this cap and just tack it back down to my head so I don't get any lifting. Now, guys, I am not a professional hairstylist. Let me just start with saying that I'm not a professional hairstylist. This is just some stuff that I learned from seeing other people do it and YouTube, and I'm just showing you guys how I lay my wigs. Okay, so now that we got that done, I'm gonna go in with 2 layers of this Eden lace bond glue. I'm gonna have a picture up over in the corner of this glue, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my edges. Well, not on my edges, but of the edge of the cap, and just go ahead and spread it out, and then I'm gonna let it dry down. Guys, excuse my smacking because I am smacking on this gum, so excuse my smacking. And guys, if you cannot see my full head, I had to like do this at an angle because yeah, I had to sit in front of my vanity because I needed the mirror so I could like really see. But next time I install a wig, I'm gonna try to place my phone in front of me so you guys can see like the whole process. But if you guys are only able to see one side, I apologize. Just know that I'll have more tutorials of me installing wigs coming soon. Okay. So now that I have the glue dried, I'm just gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna push the lace into the glue. It's hard to explain, but I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna push it into the glue so that it can blend in seamless. So the hairline, when I cut it, it'll be nice and blended and tacked down. So then I'm going to take my raw cartel lace band and I'm just going to lay that on top of where I pushed it in and let that sit for a while. Then I'm going to come back when it's time to cut the lace. So now I'm going in sections and I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace. I am going to cut this lace kind of jagged to blend in with my hairline. Now in the middle, I have a low hairline on the sides, but in the middle it's not as low. So I do cut off that extra baby hair in the middle, but on the sides I keep some of the baby hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lace, and then we will be moving on to styling the baby hairs. So now I'm going to take some of this eating adhesive, and I am just going to go in and just blend in that lace with my skin and dry it. So now I'm going in with my foundation brush and my well, not foundation, but a pressed powder, and I'm just going to blend that into the lace. Guys, this is a special brush for my hair. It's a regular brush, but I use it only for my hair. And the pressed powder is some regular makeup, but I use it for my hair. So now I'm going in, and I am going to be doing my edges. Now guys, I seen this little method on TikTok where they cut the edges and then they curl them up and they lay them. Now guys, this worked for me. I like it. I like the way it lay my edges. But guys, if you guys don't like fluffy edges, then this may not be for you, because they do, no matter how much you lay them down, they are gonna still like pop back up and be kind of fluffy, which I like. But if you don't like that, then go in and just lay them once you cut them. Guys, again, don't mind me. I did not plan on recording this, but I said I'm gonna just go ahead and record it because people have been asking me. So I'm having me a little concert over there, okay? So I did do a side part, which you'll see at the end, but my cover picture is a middle part because I did go in and change my hair to a middle part, because I don't know, the side part wasn't giving what it was supposed to have gave. So I did go in and change this to a middle part. Gonna go ahead and finish this up, guys. Go ahead and like, comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this wig install. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at beatbymoe with 2 E's, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram at beatbymoe. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications.